Bia Kamal, nere yendi al Kamal. Lere bu calling jen gwasame a breaking news ray which ka so Sudan. Ban rajime ban jelinga gwa ka duo bandan en charge nun kaje. Eri gadan ban ling man chitu ray which ka so Sudan a gwan mishala do nene. Chi so Sudan People Defense Force shike nyen kene National Salvation Front ki NAS ka chigi nyen ba ke SPLA mayo mende pin Dr. Yoma Chateng chalar wo nene chine di shop ka bangwan shike liu kana ne di shop wal badak ti chamu ka bot ajenda na gorno baje nyak yakel ken yam kan konore ler kana me gorje no baje kwenje ka thoknath ka kora ban jo link ka tok English bishu gorno mi jiram no go bi link ka tok kawaini bishu lep kam gorje no bi kon link ka thoknath mu gaba gorno bi nyak bo ne tin ko ken ka jin ba chu che puru je no bi notification bell bi je twan keep subscribe aller dan ci chub gas me ke jen chanka wel ka pairo ron kin dang ro jen dang ro de diech kur mi to kam espele mayo ken South Sudan People Defense Force ke South Sudan People Defense Force ci ganyo nyen ba ke NAS ke National Salvation Front ci ganyen re which en shal ke kajekeji ka Equatoria ka do badana shalat keja an do kurdana ci tuok ne ci ko bangwan ci kan nak ne bangwan ci kan ci liuten kane dangwal badak ti chamu ka bot dit re kurmo re ga me chora lat re witin winemi ka kurna na terke ka kajo keji county ka central equatoria kume SSPDF ken SPLA mayo ke NAS ala NAS waken nyinken ka kui checkpoint ka goten konti la torbile a chungten mugor ka jen wo ba torbile mo ba jetul ko che ti cham nok che ka binang de wich ano ka kor gwa de dan to tokan dial ka te chango ka kirma yadi den hotel mi shala checkpoint re we ka so Sudan a lo torbile bu jal bang no do be dan e she lat ka je ke cha tan ka ja wa jen dan en nyinken ga je tama chu kuma espele mayo ko do bana shalat ka je wa ken chi ken checkpoint jen chi kana ga miji terbil we bukan o kap chong da dop na mo jen da na lat ken wo chu kor mo shu jenong ban jeling ka tok kawaini ka do ban an chu to ka je clash between the South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF and the National Salvation Front as well as separate fighting between the SSPDF and the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition or SPLA have left 9 soldiers dead and 18 wounded in central and western Equatorial State, the army said on Monday. South Sudan spokesperson Major General Lure Kong reported that at the army headquarters in Juba that National Salvation Front fighters launched an attack on an army position in Kajukeji County of central Equatoria, while SSPDF force also encountered resistance from SPLA fighter in western Equatoria, linked the clashes with SPLA to disputes over checkpoint. On February 9, 2025, at around 6 a.m., NAS or National Salvation Front rebel attacked our position at Jalmon village in Kongapo 2 Payam, Kajukeji County, Central Equatorial State. The surprise attack resulted in the deaths of 3 servicemen and left 2 civilians shot and wounded, Kwang said. Kwang also reported an attack against civilians in Kajukeji, in which 2 children from the same family were thrown into a burning house. The surrounding village was set ablaze and the children were burned beyond recognition, he said. In western Equatoria, Kwang said that as SPDF force faced a series of ambushes around Kubri Bu, area of Nagro County, as they thought to dismantle what they described as a legal checkpoint and roadblock erected by the SPLA. He characterized the SPLA refusal to remove this checkpoint as the cause of the renewed violence. The first time we began taking casualties was on February 14 between Bu and Nagro. 1 soldier was killed and 3 were wounded. We managed to break through and arrive the next day. On February 15, our forces patrolling from Bao to Wau were attacked again by SPLA fighters, resulting in 1 soldier being wounded, he said. Kwang said the commander of Division 6, responsible for security in Western Equatoria and tasked with enforcing a presidential order to remove checkpoint, was attacked, leaving 2 soldiers injured. Our position at Bao was attacked twice on the same day, but our force repelled the attacker with support from regional force. In that engagement, one soldier was wounded, he said, also reporting at an attack on army supply convoy. On February 2, a Toyota Land Cruiser carrying food ration successfully delivered supplies but was ambushed on its way back. 3 soldiers were killed and 11 others were wounded, he said. Kwang added that additional SSPDF troops were killed along the Wau-Tony road but did not provide further detail. There was no immediate comment from NAS or SPLA, which is a key partner in the country revitalized peace agreement. The violence underscored ongoing tension between government forces and army groups despite the country's fragile peace process. Miguel Magwata me jen ko dana ci tuok ne bangwan ci kliw ne wal badak cha mo ko bot ngay yana ko to wan token winimi ka e kotera tan wan long ci rodi yeden kujimi e kena ko ne lat ko rodien ngoda ba ku metere we ka so sudan ken ken ben gwa kel ko de ken koroti de ken kapal ajenda na gore no de nywa ye kel biya tamal